What's up, guys? We got a Spyderco. This is the SpyderChef. I got the box somewhere. So, issue we're having with this knife is, as you can tell, the centering is off. It's got some wear. So, what we're gonna be doing today is opening this bad boy up and seeing what we can do to fix it. So we're gonna remove the pivot screw. Remove all side screws. So I actually bought this knife. I've been collecting knives now. Oh man, it's been quite some time. I had leukemia when I was little. My dad would buy me a knife every time we went to the hospital. So knives have long since been in my blood. Not really sure what's going on here. Little tense. I'm not really sure. There goes the blade. Okay. There we go. All right, so just gotta wiggle it. You can see got some I think it's oxidized. It's been sitting for a while. We got some gunk in there. And on this side, same thing. We got some gunk. I scraped up. A lot of dust. So what we're gonna do, something I like to do, is these little brass washers. You take some mother's polish. As you can see, this one, I've used it for a lot of things. Found my rag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move all this stuff to the side. And we're gonna start with this washer right here. As you can see, it's kind of ugly, whatnot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move all this shit out the way. We're gonna find us a flat spot. All right. Now, I'm not gonna edit any of this shit out of the video, so if you want to watch it, this is my first couple videos, so I don't know how to edit them, and I don't feel like doing it, so you just gotta watch. We're gonna take this, and we're just gonna get to rubbing that motherfucker. All right, you get the idea. So it gets nice and shiny like that. We'll flip it over. Now, I don't strive for these things to be perfect. If you want to, you can do that, but just a real quick comparison. I mean, I could take it all the way down a little more, but I don't give a shit. It's a knife, it's gonna get dirty. So, yeah, we're just gonna take them, we're just gonna polish them. Polish them up. And it don't take that long either, guys. You can go get Mother's Polish, local hardware store, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. So yeah, nice and shiny. We're gonna move those out of the way, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. We're gonna go to the blade. This is LC 200N. Same thing. Just gonna take a little bit of polish. I'm pretty sure someone's gonna be like, "Oh, don't do that. Not supposed to polish it." I don't care. I want to do it this way, so I'm gonna do it. You're gonna cut your hand. I don't care. I got plenty of wounds on my hands. I'm not really worried about a little nice scratch. So we're gonna flip it around. Polish, 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 polish. And I'm not even, I mean, you're really not doing nothing. We're just kind of cleaning up that surface a little bit. I mean, we're not striving for perfection here. Just really, I'm bored. I don't have nothing to do. It's Saturday. I'm actually off of work, so I'll clean up these knives. So that's titanium, so I can't really polish titanium with aluminum polish, but it will remove some of the gunk that's on there. Do that one. Dip our rag ski. Alright. See? Moved all the junk off there. And I'm sure someone's gonna say, oh, you should have used blah blah blah. I don't care. I really don't care. As long as the knife functions, that's all I really care about. Let me clean some of this shit. I took a little bit out of it. But anyways, whatever. So yeah, that's about what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna take our, I don't have no fancy shit. The shit I got at O'Reilly's. Maximum heat resist fucking gun oil. I don't care. Put a little dab there, dab there, dab there, dab there, dab, dab. Flip it over, dab, 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 dab. And then we're gonna reassemble. Oh, forgot to clean the pivot screw. Since it does spin on this, we're gonna clean this up just a little bit. It's got some black shit on there. I'm not gonna polish it. I really should clean the inside of the blade in there, but I don't think it looks too terribly dirty. We can always reapply our stuff. I'm just gonna take the back side of the screwdriver. Oh, come on, mother. This, I don't really make too many YouTube videos, so you gotta bear with me. Trying to do shit and get it on camera is a little more difficult than I thought. Oops. Trying to cut my finger off. Cool, that's good enough for me. Take our dab, 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 dab. Also too, when you put a little bit of lube on there like that, when you go to put the washer in, it'll actually help it stay a little better. Someone says, oh, where'd you get your mat at? I think somebody bought it for me for Christmas from Blade HQ. Or I got it, you know what? I think I ordered a knife and I think they gave it to me. So it's got a flat side on there, so make sure that flat side's lined up. We're gonna take our washer. Already got some lube on it. All right, we're gonna take this, slap, maybe depress the detent a little bit. Get it in there, all right? We're gonna take our next washer. Looks like the shit came off. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt, it's just lube. A little lube ain't never hurt nobody. It's better than spit. What am I missing? Where's that? Oh, it's already in there. So I often take this piece and I'll put it in right here. I'm sorry, I think I suck at YouTube. I got fat ass hands and they're just in the way. I'm also recording off an iPhone while laying down on the floor. Actually at my parents' house. I'm in the process of buying a home. So we're over here. It's kind of like a big ass storage unit. Get that motherfucker lined up. Get those ones lined up. All right, we're gonna take our pivot screw and just get that started. Okay, we'll close this. So, if I remember correctly, you take your pivot screw and you tighten that motherfucker all the way down. I mean, obviously not hard enough to where you can't get it undone. And then you take your body screws. So I guess pretty much I'm teaching you how to center. You don't want to make them snug, just get them started. All right, then you want to take Probably should have been more prepared for my YouTube video. Here, I got a $5 bill. All right, so you want to take a piece of paper or something, because as soon as you loosen that pivot screw, the blade's gonna walk back over. Now, once again, I'm not doing this to be perfect, so it's no big deal to me. So you want to take this, you want to wedge it on the opposite side, right? So you're pushing that blade all the way over. So then you'll tighten your body screws, and if I remember correctly, it's kind of hard doing this shit on the camera. Start from this way, whatever way this is. And like I said, you don't want to tighten the shit out of them, but get them snug. All right, I'm gonna tighten this one. Tight. And then I don't know if we pull this. Maybe loosen the pivot screw just a skosh. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna pull that. Alright, so you see it is not centered. So you take this and bump it ever so. And there you go, she's centered. Yeah, that's it. Not much to it. Nice and centered. I guess it's still a little off. Let's see. There you go. Centered. And this is the old one. This isn't the new one or whatever. But yeah, so that's the knife right there. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. These are the tools we used today. As you tell, I'm a fan of titanium. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the I don't know, what did they say? Hit the bell, subscribe, like. I just do this because I enjoy doing it. But if you like watching it, I'll make some more videos. Excuse my dad, apparently it's hot outside. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.